In this video, I'm going to show you assistant menu bothering you. Here's how to turn off this assistant menu icon on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can find the accessibility option. Once you found them, simply tap to open it. After the accessibility is open, scroll down again, look for the interaction and dexterity option. Once you found them, click to open them. After this page is open, here you can see basically various options there. Look for the assistant menu option. Right now this option is turned on by default my phone. So simply turn it off, tap on the main toggle button. After that, confirm by tapping turn off. And automatically turn off assistant menu icon on your phone, and this time your phone no longer assistant menu on your screen. That's it, you can easily done. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, also subscribe my new channel. Thanks for watching.